Marhaban, welcome. This is Abdurrahman and you are watching O Arabic. In this lesson you'll learn a group of letters similar like twins. Also you'll learn some everyday vocabulary. Reading quizzes are here today. Unlike the last lesson, where we concentrated more on writing. So stay tuned and let's get started. What do we have here? Is this garlic? Oh yes. The Arabic word here is thoum. You know that it is very nutritious, right? And also it has a pungent odor. We have here a new letter. It is tha. Tha. Its shape is like the letter na, right? But the difference is in the count of points. Its sound is like tha in think. Another letter we are going to see it in the forest. There are boom, boom, owls. Its sound alone is ba, ba, like bee in bird. We can see down there a point, but the shape is still like tha and na, right? Let's now jump to the last letter, ta, ta. We can find it in tam, tam, which means complete. We need 2 points over there, but still looks like the other letters, na, tha, ba, right? Its sound alone is like t in tea. As we mentioned in lesson 2, Arabic letters have 4 cases of writing. For most of the letters, writing cases can be reduced temporarily to 2 instead of 4. Now we're going to look at one more case for the letters we learned so far. The other shape of the letter ba is found in that door, in the bab. Bab. We can see here 2 letters, ba, one in first place and the other in last place. The last one is similar to the letter na, in same place, but with small repairing. As you notice, this trick is used for memorizing the shapes of the similar letters. Of course, we can apply the same in the 2 letters, ta and tha. Look at that raspberry. It is delicious, right? It is toot. The word toot has 2 letters ta, one in the first place and the other is in the last. Another word we need for the letter tha in the last place. The word is furniture. In Arabic, asas. Also we have here 2 letters tha, one in the middle and the other is in the last. Piece of cake, right? Here is a list of our words for today. Boom, tam, thoum, toot, bab, asas. Now we need a matching quiz. Match each word with the image that describes it. But first, take a look at the solution, then try to solve it yourself. Pause the video if needed. Now to the quiz. Great. Another quiz is required. It's listening one. Listen carefully and select the appropriate word. Asas. Asas. Thoum. Thoum. Bab. Bab. Tam. Tam. Boom. Boom. Toot. Toot. Nice. That's all about words. Now let's move to our twin letters. As we saw, they are similar in shape and different in count and places of point. For more concentrating, we need some quizzes. But first, we need a review. You will hear the sounds. Try to shadow the sounds. After that, you will take a very quick quiz. Let's go. Ba, ba, ta, ta, tha, tha. These are the new letters, but there is another letters studied previously and mentioned in this lesson, right? Here is a, ra, wa, and ma. Now to the quiz. Listen carefully and select the appropriate letter. Check the timer and pause the video if needed. Ta, ta, ba, ba, ra, ra, sa, sa, ma, ma, wa, wa, a, a. Gorgeous. The last quiz is the missing letter. Fill each word with the appropriate letter from the list below. أثاث, boom, توت, ثوم, تام, باب. Let's jump now to writing section. We will write today the letters as a part of words because, as you know, all today words are composed from letters we've studied already. So are you ready? Let's go. But first, let's start with individual letters. Next, we will step to the words. This is ba, ba, and this is ta, ta, and this is tha, tha. Let's now move to the words. Boom, boom, ثوم, ثوم, باب, باب, توت, توت, تام, تام, أثاث, أثاث. We've prepared a PDF document. Contains writing exercises. This document contains all studied letters up to this lesson. Download the PDF file and do your exercises. Print it or draw on your phone directly. Thank you for interacting with our channel. And thank you for watching the video to the end. See you in the next lesson.